going through my parts bin and came across some parts for a curriculum idea I was proposing last summer, and thought I'd try it out again this week and just see how it still worked. This is a very basic rudimentary speaker system. It has a 3D printed diaphragm. Here, this is the membrane. It kind of wiggles back and forth. On the other side is a wound voice coil. And then you need some permanent magnets. In this case, it's just a stack of neodymium magnets. So I'm going to hook this up and see if it still works. Start some music. Very distorted. Oh, starting to smoke. Too much current through the windings. Turn the amplifier down. That was interesting. Turn the a little distorted there. Just holding it above it right now. Doesn't work as well as I remember it working last year. Need to smoke again. See, I've melted the PLA around the winding. I cranked it to 11 and probably shouldn't have done that. Anyhow, that was my little project. Thought I'd see how it worked still, and didn't work as well as it did last year. What do you know?